It's 7 a.m. September 4. Excuse. Good morning, ma'am. Josh. Down ng tiil. Down ng tiil. Ito na si mama. Josh, ito na si mama. Josh, where are you going? Ano mo dagan man?
Do not cut the bun.
Very good. Ang kinaunhan? It's 5 p.m. Wala na kapag sumamang balik.